Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And today the Qs just kind of kept grinding higher. The theme today, and this is what we talked about in the live trading room, and today we just pretty much this morning just started taking profits on everything. And the idea is that, you know what, the stock market has had a great run. I love the weekly squeeze. It's just extended. Okay, and what happens is when a stock gets extended, it can pull back to its 8 EMA. It gets extended, it pulls back to its 8 EMA, pops up a little bit, pulls back. Here we are, very extended from that 8 EMA. And even though the stock market is bullish, and even though I don't want to short anything, there is nothing wrong with when the ducks are quacking, feed them. That means when the market is surging and people are scrambling and trying to buy shares and buy options, great, sell it to them. So we're essentially going into the long weekend about 90% cash. Not planning on doing anything tomorrow. Just have some by tomorrow. I mean Thursday. It's obviously a short day. Just going to manage a little bit of premium that we sold that's scheduled to expire, but otherwise taking profits on this fantastic run early this week, and then saving our bullets next week to reload up again. So some interesting stuff going on today. Stuff that I was watching. Netflix had a huge run yesterday, pulled back a little bit today, back to support. What we're going to be doing is setting up levels to rebuy this stock. That was a pretty awesome run, and we'll be looking at that early next week. I don't really see any need to do that tomorrow or anything like that. And one of the stocks that we really like here too that's been kind of chugging along here is Xilinx. Somebody was asking today, it's like, well, you're talking, John, about taking profits on all these extended stocks. Why aren't you selling Xilinx? Isn't Xilinx extended here? It is, but this is a different kind of a play. This is called a DMI explosion. And the DMI explosion we just got out of was Twitter. And if you look at the pattern here on Twitter, that you have a situation where it kind of explodes, okay, and you look for it to actually not only take out its old high from the gap, but also to fill its gap. And when Twitter did that and just kept on going, we just trailed a stop and it kept going. So if we compare that to Xilinx here, you can see Xilinx hasn't even come back to test this. So I'm looking for it to get to 49.50 and then potentially fill its gap. Obviously, trailing stops along the way. Okay. So again, on Thursday, the markets close early, and we got a long weekend. My plan is to be about 90% in cash and just be rested and relaxed and ready to go for next week. You guys have a great long weekend, and we'll see you at the next update.